All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol AFPW 0006 currently traded at right now. You guys are down 8.33%. This is I am actually shocked that we have not went through this one more often. This one has been getting a lot of buzz here, and it's been getting requested. But what's amazing about it is that the moves that it's been making here, just the last month over here, just silently moving off that 0002 to 0003, 0004, 0005, and just start making a nice climb up here. Really nice and steady, and just flying right now underneath the radar. Not for long, because here we are. We're adding it to our list to watch right now. Coming back here, look at it. It hasn't even traded in this area since April 2015, if I'm reading that correctly. Wow. And now all of a sudden something's going on here. Volume's starting to pick up. You guys look at here. Here's where the loading zone is. You can really see how silent it was, and then boom, boom, boom. You guys get a nice solid area of some loading, especially in, looks like to be, look at that, 473 million shares traded, 340, 650. That was all back in August of 2016. Big push in volume right there in that general area, and then it just went dormant again. And then all of a sudden, right in the beginning of January, right beginning after the first of the year, interest started picking up, started flipping between the 0002 and 0001 area. You guys started tapping the threes. I'm going to watch this one right now. I am. Look at this. It's holding up those simple day moving averages nicely, even though, I mean, just coming down, tapping on them, boom, perfectly. Go ahead and watch this one right now at 0006. And watch for the bounce off the 0005 area. I really do. I mean, it might tap 0004 a few more times here, but watch this. And you'll get that confirmation when you see the 0007 starting to tap. And we'll see if Joe could fill us in a little bit about this, because we have never went over this one. Or it's been a long time, I should say.
All right, so with these guys, it's pink limited information. But let me see. They their latest press release was on, well, actually today. It was AlumiFuel CEO live stream Q&A highlights. So AlumiFuel Power Corporation is pleased to provide following highlights from a live stream Q&A session held on March 3rd, 2017. So on March 3rd, AlumiFuel Chief Executive Officer Ryan Schradel held a live stream Q&A session on Periscope TV. During the live event, Mr. Schrader covered a variety of topics and fielded questions from viewers. Mr. Schradel discussed the company's continual review of options to monetize its Novo Fuel subsidiary, including its previous announced line of lithium-ion batteries and its patented hydrogen generation technology. Mr. Schradel discussed building value for shareholders by acquiring businesses that generate cash flow and restructuring the company's debt as it transitions to a diversified holding company. The company is exploring several acquisitions, including marijuana dispensary in California and a digital media company. Mr. Schroeder feels the acquisition of a digital media company would offer company acquisition synergies for the pre-existing staffing brands operated by OmniFuel. No shares of the company's stock have been issued since Mr. Schroeder became CEO in early February 2017, and one of his primary areas of focus is to prevent dilution of common shareholders. The company is expected to actively and aggressively engage investor outreach over the coming weeks and months. Mr. Schroeder is exploring options to approve and fund a company share buyback program. So they have an archive of the live Q&A, and it can be viewed. If you go over to the AFPW board on Investors Hangout, and you just type in the recent news, you'll see the press release today, and they got the link to the Periscope Q&A that the CEO held. And as always, if you want to do some due diligence on the company, basically just type in the filings right over there, and the financials, the buy rating, the recent news, time and sales, company profile. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors by posting over on the message board.
All right. Again, I mean, that obviously makes sense with the big volume spike that I've seen in the chart, Joe, because a new CEO coming on and stuff like that, right around that time. If I'm looking at it correctly, you said that was in the beginning of February. And
yeah, he said he hasn't sold any shares since he took the position in February. So.
Okay, well, that's interesting. So again, 0006, watch for this, in my opinion, for a bounce off to 0005. If you start seeing 0007s hitting, it will confirm a move up. Now people are like, well, of course, if it's going to move up, it's going to hit 0007. Usually with these 000 stocks, you'll start seeing it flip, or not flip, but flicker. You know what I mean? It hit 0007 back to 6, 7, 6, 7, 6. You'll start seeing that confirmation that it's going to get ready to move up. Just keep that in mind. That's what I mean by that. Hittings will confirm a move up, support 0004, and resistance at 0007. Again, AFPW, if you've learned anything from this video, I definitely encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, if you have another hot stock that you're following other than this one, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know.